To meet the challenges of research in agriculture, food and the environment, we need to achieve optimal exploitation of data, which is growing in volume, complexity and diversity. This requires the provision of efficient, resilient and interconnected digital infrastructures, resources and services, facilitating data lifecycle activities, and collaborative approaches. The aim of the use case 6.3 is to leverage existent infrastructures, data resources and services in the EOSC cloud in order to help the agri-food community optimize its workflows.
I work at Montpellier plant phenotyping platforms at INRAE. Every day we generate thousands of plant images, plant traits and environmental data. We need to process, to preserve and to share this data with the other users and colleagues. Solutions developed by EOSC-Pillar will help to address these challenges.
We are developing population genetic softwares for 20 years. We will be happy to search open data from a federated data catalog and be able to launch our analysis on an academic cloud directly from a data repository. We have high expectations regarding EOSC-Pillar solutions.
To address those use cases, the task focuses on the following aspects of data management. Preserve, through storage and preservation infrastructures. Discover, through federated data catalog. And reuse, through cloud and GPU resources.
Now we will present you a little demonstration of the subtask data in the cloud. First I connect to the dataverse. Then I search for a dataset. Now I can select my dataset. I select the files from the dataset and I can not only download these files, but I can reuse them in an environment. Here I select Jupyter Hub. Now Jupyter Hub creates my environment. Now in my environment we can find the two files we imported from dataverse and run the analysis. So you can see we run the analysis on the CSV file. And now from there we can redo other analysis and republish them on the dataverse if we want. This subtask will provide a bridge between fair data and infrastructure resources through environment not only limited to Jupyter Hub, but through environment like Binder, Renku and DefaScience too.
Data repositories are a key component of the global open science infrastructure, as they are used by research organizations or scientific communities for data cataloging or depositing services with associated policies. Although they increase the accessibility and sharing of data, they also contribute, to some extent, to the fragmentation of the landscape. The use case 6.3 is based on an institutional data repository, Data INRAE, and illustrates how we can defragmentate such data repositories, thanks to their integration with the services and resources of the European Open Science Cloud. Indeed, such integration will facilitate and foster the reuse of data from the repository on one hand, and on the other hand, the sharing of processing and analysis results.